Mari bergabung dengan Master Marine 1 juta video dunia maritim untuk mengenal dunia maritim. Jangan lupa subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis. Share dan like.
Hey guys, what's going on? Alright, so wanted to give you a tour of this place. This place is called as Bridge. Okay, so I'll be showing you what all equipments we have, and they assist us in navigation. So follow me and I'll show you around. Alright, so first of all I'll start with radar. Okay, this is the radar. We have two radars on board, S-band and X-band radar, and it gives us the bird's eye view, very helpful in restricted visibility, and we use for navigation. So this is our ship, and we can select the range, increase the range, okay, to determine target. So it will give small blimp so that it's easy for us to determine the targets. And इसका जो स्कैनर है, you know, it sends the pulses and it receives, so it acts as trans receiver. So वो it's on Monkey Island, so I'll just show you. So just follow me around. That was the scanner that always keeps on rotating. And okay, so that was about a radar. Okay, so basically it helps us to determine the targets. Now this is something new, it is called ECDIS, electronic charts. So you know, nowadays all the ships will be equipped with this ECDIS system. So nowadays, you know, the chart system, I'll just show you the charts. So this is the chart table. We have all voyage, you know, voyage related charts, and the courses are already marked by second officer. So here actually this department of second officer. Okay, here we keep all the charts, and you know, accordingly, so we keep on changing. So whenever we are at certain point, we change the chart, and you know, that is how it goes. So जो भी cancel charts होते, so second officer gives to me, so I do drawing. Okay, so that was about the chart system. This is the steering. Okay, you know, remember those days where we used to have like huge steering wheel, you know. So nowadays तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. Nowadays it's only like size of this hand. So I'll just give you a quick demo on. So right now it is on autopilot. Okay, most of the time, like right now it is open sea. So open sea में हमेशा it's kept on autopilot. But whenever we are in coastal waters, or you know, congested, where there is a lot of traffic, whether there is a lot of fishing boats, so we put it on hand and we steer it by hand. So I'll just show. Alright, so this is the course recorder. It records all the primary courses of the ship, what we are steering, what we are doing right now. This is the echo sounder. Echo sounder, general idea, used to determine the depth below the surface. Okay, uska printer hai ye. And this is all the navigation lights ka panel. Okay, this we use to switch on, switch off navigation lights. These are the all the external lightings of the ship we control from here. The steering motor, and this right here, okay, this is called as the pigeonhole. and here we keep all the flags, the alphabetical flags, all the phonetics, you can say Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, ABC, all the way up to Zulu. So here we keep all the flags. Okay, these are the phonetics, and follow me, I'll show you where we keep all the. Okay, so here we keep all the flags for the countries. Let me show you USA. So I'll just show you. Okay, so here we keep all the flags, all the national flags of all the countries which so this is the Korea. I'll just show you. Right, so this is the flags. So सब countries के यहाँ पे. So basically, okay, so whenever we go to any port, we hoist their flags, as a symbol of respect. Yeah, so that is what we do. And this panel right here, this is the bow thruster ka panel. So in the bow region of this ship, so there is a huge propeller. Okay, so whenever we approach any port, so we use this. वहाँ पे भी control है उसका on the bridge wings. Okay. And again, all this system doesn't work like, just like that. We have to give 1 hour notice and half an hour notice. So yeah, so little bit procedure is there. And this right here, this is the bridge telegraph. Okay, similar to what we have in our car, the gearbox. So similarly, we have bridge telegraph. So we have this, we can set RPM. Okay. And so this right here is the gyro repeater. We have magnetic compass and a gyro compass. Alright, magnetic compass is up in the Monkey Island, and so magnetic compass gives us the magnetic north. Gyro, of course, it gives us the true north. Okay, so we keep this. This is called the azimuth ring or azimuth circle. We keep like this, and we take bearings. Okay, we take bearings of sun, of some islands, or maybe lighthouses. Okay, so this is the VHF, views for communication, views for our reportings. Alright, it's always on. Right now it's on channel 16. We can set up the channel, so we talk. Okay, so that's about it for VHF. This is the Banwas. Okay, bridge navigational watch keeping alarm system. So basically, it is only used to detect the determine the presence of officer on watch. It has got all these sensors over here. So just in case we fell asleep, okay, ऐसा तो कभी होता नहीं है, because we can never leave bridge unmanned. Okay, so ऐसा होता नहीं है, but just in case, so it will give us the alarm at desired period of time. This is the AIS, automatic identification system. It has got all the static and dynamic data of this ship, and yeah, so that was so that's about the AIS. And then again, guys, the layout of the bridge might be different for other vessels, but these equipments are always same. And one more thing, if you notice these windows, okay, so these windows are inclined a little bit, like inward inclined. So that is because of to avoid any unwanted reflections. So हर कोई like every small thing on this ship, like any other ship, तो बहुत काफी दिमाग लगा के ये लोगों ने बनाया. Now this right here is called the Aldis lamp. Okay, so aim, and so we use it for grabbing attention of small fishing boats, of large boats. Yeah, so that was it, guys. Hope you really like this little tour of our bridge, and this is how navigation works over here. We keep watches, 4-hour watches, and yeah, so that was it. And yeah, if you have a bad day, okay, so just open the door and go out and enjoy these beautiful views. So we get to see dolphins, beautiful sky, you can say. So right now the weather is not quite good. It has been raining here and there. So thanks so much for watching. This is me signing off. Peace.